Hey everybody, it's me, Della.
This is Sue.
Welcome to
television.
Yay! All right, we're back at the World Equestrian Center this weekend, and tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day.
We got all dressed up for you.
We're festive and a little...
Got a lot of looks.
So what's going on here?
So we have a spring fair.
Festival.
Festival.
Craft show. Something
Craft
like
show.
that. Anyway.
Come on down.
This is the first event that they've had something like this here. This is probably the first spring festival we've been to so far. We were at Brown & Brown's a couple weeks ago. I'm working on getting that video out to you too. And it was really nice. It was like their strawberry kind of festival. But this is supposed to be a craft fair. So we're going to go check it out and see how pretty it is inside and tell everybody they are doing this tomorrow as well. So we'll be back in a little bit.
Bye.
Okay, everybody, we've kind of finished up at this lovely craft event over here at World Equestrian Center today. They are going to be doing it tomorrow. They had a whole bunch of vendors. How many would you say?
At least 300.
Ooh,
At least 300.
A lot.
Lots of different things.
And they have these really cool maps. So they had the vendors and what booths they were in case you need to go back to pick up something that they were holding for you.
Yep.
Oh, and Sue has blue teeth.
Blue teeth.
She couldn't.
I couldn't stop myself.
She had to have some cotton candy.
Some blue raspberry cotton candy. Oh my God.
Lots of cotton candy, lots of food stuff. I mean, they had people that made dips and sauces,
And cookies,
breads,
and muffins, and nuts, and
And if you didn't make it to this event, a lot of these folks will be back in the fall when we hit Micanopy and McIntosh again. So don't forget that. Oh, and the lady who did my horse jewelry, Lou Petty, was here. Man, is she so talented. Woman has a lot of great jewelry. Lou Petty, if you need her information, let me know. So we're going to probably go head out to lunch.
where else would we go?
I did buy a few things. I did just a few, but there was so much horsey stuff, I could have gone really crazy.
Yeah,
I think I need to get a house.
I had to talk her down on a couple. We'll come back.
Yeah.
And then we forgot.
Well, thanks for joining us at Television. And the reason why Sue and I do this, you know, we're 55 plus, and I'm a realtor, and we like to go around and show you all the fabulous things to do here in Ocala and around the city. So there's lots of little cities on the other side, and we have a great time showing you all the cool stuff to do around here.
And our cute little hats.
And our cute little hat. Hey, we had a lot of people staring at us, going, "Oh, and here's my shirt. Yay. There's Sue's shirt. Yay." So we're very festive. I don't know what's going on next weekend, but if we go out and do a video, it'll probably be something more Easter.
Oh yeah, it's coming up real fast.
It is a little warm.
It's very warm in here today. I'm
Warm.
surprised.
They need to crank the airs on, but not terrible. They do have food here and places to sit, so that's really nice. All right, everybody, that's a wrap here for me. I'm Della.
I'm Sue.
Thanks for joining Television.
Subscribe,
And yes, please subscribe. And
please, so you can see our fun faces.
Yes, hit subscribe because then you see all the videos. That's important. All right, everybody, until next time. Bye.
Bye.